Look, not only did we cook, but we did art. We had some art. Okay, we have our cheese. We have our beautiful patties. Look at those. They turned out great. Look at that. Nice color. Nice color. Now we're just going to go over to the grill. We're just going to melt some cheese on top, and then we're ready to build. Okay, now our lovely pickled beet. We're just gonna go right over top like that. Just one. And two. Hold on. Just like that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Just like that. Beautiful. We'll get you in there. There we go. Just like that.